Happy rainy Tuesday, Tepper's Tots. I'm on my way to the Playpen, where we are going to learn how to reduce our waste with 2 very easy tips. Let's go inside. Hello! Welcome to Earth Week at the Playpen. I've got a very special surprise in my bag that's going to help us reduce our waste. But first, let's breathe a breath. Stretch a stretch. Take your hands all the way up. Stretch those faces too. Ow. Ooh. Can you make a funny face out to the side? I like making silly faces. Ooh. That feels good to stretch. Now today, we're learning all about reducing. You remember yesterday we learned about the 3 ways to help the earth. You can reduce, reuse, and recycle. People make a lot of garbage. Whenever you throw something out, you're making waste. And that waste goes out into the landfills and out into the oceans, and it can hurt a lot of people and animals. So what we want to do is we want to learn how to reduce our waste, or to make less waste. Now I've got a couple of surprises in my bag that are going to help us to reduce our waste. The first one is something you can drink out of. Can you guess what it is? Use your imagination while I pull it out. It's a water bottle. That's right. This way, you can always have water wherever you go. I'm going to take a sip right now. That's good water. If you have water with you, take a sip with me. Reusable water bottles are great so that you don't have to buy plastic water bottles while you're out. Plus, you can fill these up at almost any place that you can buy food. I fill mine up several times a day. Our second surprise is... There's nothing in the bag. Oh, that's right. I tricked you. Because the second surprise is the bag. You can bring a baggie around wherever you go. And that way, if you ever go grocery shopping or you go buy anything, you can put it in the bag instead of getting a plastic bag that becomes waste in the trash can. I carry around my bag and my water bottle everywhere I go. I never have to buy plastic bottles, and I never have to use plastic bags. It's a very simple and easy way to reduce your waste. A lot of our plastic ends up finding its way through a long journey into the oceans, and it can cause a lot of pain and hurt to animals that live there, like some fish, or dolphins, can't make a dolphin sound. Here's a song all about one of those journeys, the journey of the plastic bag. You can dance along with me. Are you ready? We're going to start by twirling. Here we go. Let's twirl, twirl, twirl like a plastic bag in the wind. Let's twirl, twirl, twirl past the laundromat and the gym. What a world, wonderful world that we live in, where you twirl so free right into the sea to have a swim. Let's swim, swim, swim like a plastic bag in the blue. Let's swim, swim, swim without worrying what to do. What a whimsical world we're swimming through. Slow down, not so fast. What if you relaxed, sit back and catch? Now I want you to use your hands to pretend like you're catching. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's catch, catch, catch on the coral reef, then let go so you can catch, catch, catch the beluga whale on the nose. What a raffle we're playing where we don't know where our garbage will rest. Please pick up your mess so we tots can row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So my friends, if you can start carrying a water bottle and a bag and stop using plastic bags and plastic bottles, you're going to be able to really help the world and help our environment and help the animals that we love that are swimming in the oceans. And until tomorrow, I trust you to be the you that you are, the you that you're becoming, and I love you no matter what comes around. Mwah!